Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off reminder notifications on WhatsApp. If you've been looking for a way to stop those constant reminders, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once it's open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on them. This will open a drop-down menu. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main Settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your WhatsApp experience. Now tap on Notifications. This is where all your notification preferences are located. Scroll through the options until you find Reminders. Once you locate Reminders, you'll notice a toggle switch next to it. To turn off reminder notifications, simply tap the toggle so it switches off. When it's off, the toggle will no longer be highlighted, indicating that reminder notifications have been disabled. And that's it. You've successfully turned off reminder notifications on WhatsApp. No more interruptions from those pesky reminders. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and share this video to help others who might be facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.